Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. My last time the conditioner psoriasis itulaga treatment and what are the precautions kinaka really ki khaile bal hobo aji develop katakta ba kubuli monase. We all know psoriasis is an autoimmune inflammatory skin disease. By nature mukan laga skin laga itu auto means self immune na mugana immune system to mugana own body cells but action cells action destroy kura laga itu laga skin disease ekta sina I have already shared in my previous video. First and foremost, if we are alcohol consumer no chain smoker to avoid alcohol intake because treatment resist it makes us resistant to the treatment that we are taking for psoriasis. Itu karne apuni tawai lui thakile bi itu effective this itu apuni kita alcohol kan to chari boli paribo apuni la liver troubles kan noile bi inaka fatty liver kanishna noile bi hepatic troubles kan itu liver alcohol liver problem bola boli tiado itu limit kritibo aro there is like psoriasis patient have high risk of liver damage. Itu karne it be prevent kritibo to itu karne arata kapuni alcohol do chari dibuli try kribi konishna limiting alcohol will also help to reduce psoriatic arthritis. Itu ekta ase aro healthy food psoriasis to kali dawai to no libe what food we are taking it is important ekta ase some foods to avoid like heavy dairy products kana like dahi cheese paneer itu kan avoid krobo lage because itu dairy products kan di fat content bishi ase itu karne itu dairy products kan avoid krobo lage. Secondly, brinjal na eggplant bikoi it be avoid krobo try krobi because like it contains some elements that triggers our body aro itu mokan kuchili probability na itu karni mokan itu eggplant na be avoid krobo lagi aro itu ni na red meat mutton itu kan chicken itu kan be mokan paratak itu control krobo lagi itu fats to burn krobo time na digestion garni aro itu ni na when it takes too long time to digest mokan liver be stressed out which because all the works has to be done by our liver and mokan itu kita mokan liver to stressed out which there is like psoriasis to aro control probably risk which to can processed food can every videos I make I tell you to limit or to avoid processed food kilimani mokan we don't get healthy nutrients organic nutrients kan hoina mo chemically added na bishop to itu kan ni flavor kan pai dagi halu kan de itu kan ni paratak itu packaging food itu be avoid krobo lage refined saturated fats bisha sena itu food kan ki holibi to itu kan itu be avoid krili bal hobo soybean oil hobo bari soya food paratak avoid kribi and instead you can go for sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil to itu kan vegetable oil under the be itu soya do olop avoid krili bishibal hobo and then like fermented food can be mukan paratak itu use no krili bal because itu mukan ki itching krili bishi trigger kridi the fermented food can be avoid kribi paratak high intake of sugar high intake of salt itu can be amigan manage krobo lagibo paratak itu check krobo lage apni psoriasis asikuli do you have a very dry skin itu garni psoriasis ulaise itu garni moisturizer kan judicious amount use krobo lage and then you have to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water aro paratak apni out bahari jai asikuli do you have to apply oil na body oil can use kribi coconut oils can nishina nilibi in homeopathy we have babchi oil moi shorts tibi banaina ase to etu kan nishina use kurigina you can use a moisturizer aro apni pahari jai ase guli to itu sunscreen SPF olop strong thaka kan it be apply krobo so that the moisture inside your skin gets trapped na it jildi dry no grow nimide it SPF kan bra ini cover krina apni bahar jasikali na ulop body do moist kona rakhitibo lage to itu condition apni manage krobo lage na apni la skin bishi dry asikali ulop oil laka bishi de ulop sun de ulop thaki na 5-10 minutes itu bishi de cream lakabo any moisturizer then SPF inner na you can step out if you are going out paradak itu apni la body de moist thakibo lage aro pani bishi khabo lage na if you have psoriasis you need a good amount of sleep apni body de bishi stress na krobo lage na avoid stress too much stress and at least 6 to 8 hours good sleep is essential condition I do autoimmune disorder tasina mogana cell ba mogan body own cell ba recognize no korakina itu inaga kura laga situ itu karni mon itu tamde flex kan itu cells to actually bishi multiply gorina mean kuchili itu lai itu karni inaga kuchili kuna cha laga se itu karni our body need good amount of rest as well to stress bishi no gribi aro parata to rest bishi important asena avoid taking hot showers korum baniban kusul kuribuli avoid kuribi paratak na even if it is winter time de mokan aro bishi kujili kurido na because mena skin dry kurilibi mon aro kita dry time de aro bishi dry korum baniban mokan kusul kuribo mon skin de aro bishi dry kuridibo aro tate para kujili de bishi shoro bishi wala kujili shoro kuribo itu karni paratak tanda bani ba kusul kurili bishi balobo amyan la body weight bi bishi important ase kilimani when we are too obese or overweight cardio metabolic disorder kan olai takina heart problem kan diabetes kan itu nishna and psoriasis patient are very much prone to itu karni amyan itu body weight maintenance bi mokan bishi monte na itu check rutake bolage time and again and if need be mokan itu ki lage itu mokan khalo adu bishi important ase apni parishule apni la health care apni la itu physician lo contact korna dietitian or nutritionist kan lo dibe apni psoriasis patient ase uditu tai aap ko bishi bal hobo what you should take what you should not according to your condition na it be bishi important ase fruits can this hashuli except for citrus fruits and mango you can go for banana apple it banana bishi pal skin garne palita ase so it kan kawole paribo and then tomato kitchen de daily essential ekta fruit ekta ase na tomato be so libe it when you have psoriasis or any skin condition that is leading to itching parata kito tomato be avoid krobole lage or lastly but not the least homeopathy treatments I always say like abunila signs and symptoms subject most similar medicine tena but we have one medicine Germany the white tasi Reykjavik R65 it bishi bal the white tasi psoriasis karne and along with that abunila homeopathy doctor Rauniki most similar tawai it is up to related to so it apni continue at least for 6-7 months it condition it chronic disease iktasina overnight dipalo bolila no hoy patience to bishi lage and then your mental health your strong mental health it bishi important ase it karni sometimes like clinical like psychological counselors can lodibi apni kitabe connect robo lage because this psoriasis is a very big issue amigan itu mon ge health hazard kuri dina every time mon sound mind itana take itu laga itu problem ba always ekta khawde ekta burden ekta nishna hoi dai because it's a chronic case ekta ase aru hotai amigan discomfort ekta hoi jai na mon itu psoriasis taka to so mentally be disturb hoi jai to economically be itu amigan ge destroy great in many cases na to itu karne apni to bishi tamor wala hogina na chatam de body de pura ni felai dam di kuno bodo scalp take kuno bodo arthritis kan take ne lebe body de take alak alak moi previous video share kushi itu karne itu bishi troublesome ekta ase so sometimes in some cases we need a good psychological counseling as well to chronic cases skin kan karne to homeopathy to one of the best ase so you can always connect with a homeopathic doctor in case you are suffering from psoriasis or apni koigina ahata so follow kushiguli apni jaldi pal hoi jabo so to take care of your health